gonna hold the phone over their head, and then you guys are gonna act it out, but you can't say the word. And like, if I get it right, oh no, you'll tilt it up. If you want to skip it, if you want to skip it, you tilt it.
Meredith,
Yeah?
will you tell me a few things you like about your sister?
Yeah. She's really nice, special, pretty. Just a lot of things. Like different things.
Wait, say your suggestion again.
Instead
Wow,
of using,
my family is being pirated.
I'm just suggesting, instead of using
Okay, yes, Meredith?
Instead of using electronics, we can write on all animals and like stuff.
It seems like maybe you're being critical of. It seems like you're
using
being.
electronics.
You're being critical.
She's a lot. A rainbow.
You haven't even played it yet. How
Yes,
did
I've
you know?
played this game before.
Oh,
Well,
it's not your turn, Meredith. It's not your
What I like best about my sister is her very bubbly personality. She has a lot of energy, and it just makes life a little bit more fun.
Oh. Wow.
Are you kidding?
This might be hard for us.
Wait, let Meredith see. Oh!
If I'm not small, I'm.
big.
Yes. Yes.
Now go
Now
forward.
go forward.
Oh, if I'm not far away, I'm.
Close.
Only?
Closer. Close.
Well, it's called charades. Kind of like apprentices.
Say that again.
It's not social media stomping, it's family night stomping. Stealing my idea.
It's not stealing your idea, it's a little bit off your idea.
What did you tell me that when you were little? What did you tell me that you really wanted?
Oh, I wanted to be apprentice.
Oh, so you made up the charade cards.
Yeah.
I love
For a
it.
really long time, people. Okay, who wants to go first? I'll go first.
Oh, daddy-o, big old daddy-o.
Yeah.
2 words.
2 words. Second word.
Fire.
Fire. First word.
First word.
Stoking the fire. Loading the fire. Building a fire.
Yep.
Ding, 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 ding.
did.
But wait a second, Meredith. Aren't you at an advantage because you wrote all these?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, can I just show what? Look at all the work she did with all the.
Bam. Wait, what?
And she's also really kind and really cares for everybody, which is really nice. You always have a big supporter in Meredith. You know, a little nervy of her to redo my game and say that she likes it better and
I
that
just
her way is
said
better.
this way.
Why
Just,
you
just
did
not
it?
as hard as for me.
Yes.
Well, it's very similar to last night.
But I said this one's just a little easier for me.
What do you admire the most about her?
That she just keeps going with her dreams and everything. And like even though like it was so sad when she went to Camp Harmony, right? She like still is like even like the coronavirus. She wants to still go back, and my mom's like, I don't think you can get back. And my sister's like, don't think that way. We have to think positive. You once told me to think positive, and now I'm sticking with it, and I'm gonna get to go back and see those kids, and I promised them. And she always like tries to keep her promise.
I'm glad. I just feel it's a little nervy, but I've accepted the fact. I'm the bigger person.
I accepted yours.
Last night was
You
not
did-
charades. Last night was.
Last night, that's literally charades.
That is charades, Bobby.
Yeah, and it's also fun to like help her with like her issues because I've gone through them, so it's kind of cool. I'm like, oh, you know, big sister. It's fun to be a big sister sometimes.
Charades, because it's
But
talking.
when we did mine last night, Meredith was very critical, and I've not been
Because
critical.
that's talking. Oh, really? You haven't been
Just,
critical
why don't
right
you
now?
say you were sorry?
I said I saw you last night.
And really?
I brought it
You're
up.
being a bigger person right now.
Mom brought it up.
Mom?
Stop filming me.
Mom was the one to ask.